Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, another unboxing video. This time is the Nubia Z70. Okay, I have the special edition Starry Sky, the influenced by Van Gogh. I got this from the official UK site. I think this is the first time they had this special edition because I've always bought the black one or mostly black ones. So it's the first time we've had importing it, and yeah, I had a quick peek because unlike other YouTube videos, it came with like a big box with the actual design, the Van Gogh style painting. This one didn't do it. This was supposed to be delivered last week, or yeah, last week, but I sent him an email saying he's got delayed, and because of that, they gave me a free earbuds worth $59.99, which I'm okay with. No, spare earbuds. Just put this aside now. Of course, a separate case. This is what the case looks like. That's why I was hoping it came with like the big box, the special edition box. Anyway, I've actually just double checked to make sure they gave me the right one. That's why I had to quickly double check to make sure it's a special edition one. But I didn't check it. I just quickly opened it and just make sure it's the Starry side. This can't even pronounce the word. It's terrible. Okay, here's a box. I mean the inside. As you can see, I just had a quick peek to make sure that is actually the right one. As you can see, here's a special edition one. I'm going to put this aside here. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so you got your usual. This one is the USB charging cable. Nothing inside that box. It's it's a C2C, which is pretty cool, C2C. The funny thing is, with so many devices I've got, I actually barely use the actual USBs in my devices now. The brick. You know what? I'm going to do a quote from Floss, one of my favorite YouTubers. Google, Apple, Samsung, effing Sony, get a charger. Also, they gave, because you can see this is not the UK plug, they give you this adapter as well. Like I said, I never use this. I got so many. I'm using an Anchor to do most of my charging. It does a job. This is, if I'm correct, is an 80-watt charger. It doesn't say, but I'm sure it's an 80-watt charger. Well, I'll do the, but if you check the intro scene, you'll see I put down the specs. So just pause that and then you can see it. I think it is definitely an 80-watt charger, but it's still better than nothing. Google, Samsung, Apple, effing Sony, get a charger. And so I'm glad that they still put chargers in there. Just going to put this back in. No, I'm just leave it out there. I'll put it back in later on. And also, they most Chinese companies always throw in the case. This one I saw some YouTube. I'm not too well. We come to that once I unbox this. I give you my thoughts. In here, you probably get the usual SIM tray remover. Oh, yes, you got another case. So they gave me an extra freebie. This was a surprise. They didn't tell me they're going to give me that. Or they thought that the thing that was going to give me was just the earbuds. But hey, that's cool. I wonder how much these going to cost. Probably cost about 19, 20 pounds. Oh, that's cool. So here's the paperwork. And here's, whoopsie daisy, don't know what I dropped. Oh, don't worry about it. I picked that up a minute. And this is the see-through case that comes with it. Well, we shall see which one I pick. I'll put that aside. So this is an extra freebie. That's a surprise. They gave me 2 freebies. All right then. All right then. Let's put everything here. It looks a bit of a mess. I'll tidy all that later on. Let's get to the phone. Ooh. Oopsie daisy. Not the best. You know, it's just eject it this way. No, I can't, because the buttons are coming out. You know what? I'm gonna get my trusted scissors. Oh, don't want to scratch the back. Oh wow, look at that. I've always wanted to get the special edition, never got a chance to because it was never available in the official UK web or the global website. You had to kind of import it. And here you go, look at that. Let me just take this off. Sorry about that, my chair's still squeaky. I still need to get around. Look at that, that is amazing. I know some YouTubers out there was like, oh, they're not, this is too loud, this is too much for them. And me, I like it. You can see my reflection. You can see on the side, you got the rolling rocker. You got the, I think that's the alert slider. This is the, so you can take a camera. It's actually really well placed because if you look at some other ones, like some of them over here, this is a nice placement. I can really see it. I think it's got double action. You can press and hold, and then you get in focus and you press again. This one's got 3 cameras. Like I said, check the spec list I posted in the intro. This one has a variable apertures. I'm gonna do that. Sorry about that noise upstairs. It seems like the kids are back. This is nice. I really do like it. It's waterproof, IP68/IP69. On this side, okay, so this is the alert slider. The red one's a power, my bad. SIM tray, USB-C, I think it's a 3.1, speakers, and then you got the speakers up there and IR blaster. So that's that. What I'm gonna do, let me just compare it to my old one, here, and you can see the camera placement has just kind of shifted up. I'm glad, in a way, you can see, I'm glad they put like a certain text there, and you can see this camera is a lot bigger. They made it smaller because you can see this one produces, you know what I'm talking about, right? It comes out here, but this one's all flat. Yeah, so you can see they haven't changed too much. What I like about these ones is it's all screen. It's actually got the, I think the 5th generation under the display camera. To be honest, I couldn't care less if it's 1st or 2nd gen. I don't like taking selfies in the way. But this is overall looks pretty good. You know what? Yeah, the weighs the same. You know what? This is amazing camera. I always like this. So I'm really looking forward to this as well. I tend to carry 2 phones, one main camera, one main phone for family, friends, another one for work and other things like that. So if you follow my video, I just, of course, a few weeks ago, I purchased a OnePlus 13. I've been using that and loving it. Like I said, there's a couple of things I got to admit. The camera's great. Filming is okay. That's probably one of the things I didn't like about that. But as an overall phone, the OnePlus 13 is very impressive. I really enjoy it. So let's see this one. I'm going to use this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get back to you, everyone, in about an hour. Let me just set this up, transfer my data from my old Nubia, and then I'll just do a quick hands-on with the overall operating system. To be fair, it's probably going to be the same because I'm using Nova Launch in a way, but I just have a quick rundown, and I'll catch you all back soon. Well, before I go, I said I was going to unbox this extra case that surprised me that I didn't know I was going to get. Let's see what it's saying. Yeah, so like I said, surprised. In the email, all that they said was going to give me earbuds. Pretty cool, you know. Does its job. But like I said, I've got 2 cases now, which is cool. Yeah, so I'll be back when I set up my phone and I'll do a quick hands-on. I'll see you guys and girls then. Okay, peeps, welcome back. I did a quick transfer. It's actually pretty smooth. That's one thing I like about buying it globally. You just plug in USB to USB-C, sorted, nice and easy. And you can see the fingerprint works amazing, 10 out of 10 times. The only thing I don't really too much is if you compare my one, you can see the old one, it has this style, where the new one has that kind of circular one. I don't know, I prefer the other one. This is the wallpaper. I'll show you. It doesn't even see, you see animated, pretty good. So I'll probably customize the wallpaper later with some one of the theme ones, Godzilla maybe, anime, Super Mario video game. This is it, pretty good. I use Nova Launcher. Just want to show you guys and girls out there, look how thin. Let's go into settings. Look how thin those bezels are. This is the older one, you can see that. This is, let me see if I can get side by side. It's not much different, you can just about tell. Because this one's a 6.8 screen, this one's a 6.8.5 screen. So, but when you hold it, of course this one's got a case, but it's definitely really not much difference. The bezels are so thin on these, it's ridiculous. All one slab, no cut out, nothing like that. Like I said, I couldn't care less so much about selfie, but the selfie has definitely improved a lot. Of course, it will never be as good as anything that's got a hole punch. It's just not going to be that good, but it's definitely getting better. Maybe another generation or two that'd be up to standard. But like I said, all in one. This is first time I got the Starry Night. That's it. Designed by Nubia. I like it. Some people say it's too loud, but you know what? I bought so many Nubias. I just really wanted a special edition one. It cost me £719. It's actually, I think it's £759. No, tell a lie, it's actually £769. But I was an early bird, so I got £50 off. You can go to the official global website and order it. I don't think there's £50 left, but still 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 storage. You know, it's for flagship, one of the best camera phones, but that is to be checked. I need to do some checks. Let's do a quick, like I said in my previous video, if you follow me, I am a simple user. You know, I'm one of those people who don't play games on my phones, even though I get really powerful phones and so on. And I just mostly use a bit of photography. This one is meant to be one of the best as well up there. Like I said, my Nova Launcher is very simple, 144 hertz. So let me just show you a few things, a quick hands-on. Let's just get back in there. So here you go. One good thing about this one is, unlike plenty of other phones that give you maybe 60 or 120, but this one actually gives you auto 60, 90, 120, and 144. So that actually gives you an option. You know, I'm just going to stick it back up because this has what, like I said in the beginning intro, it's got all the specs. I think this is definitely over, was it 6,100 milliamp battery. So I'm fine with this. It'll probably definitely get me over 2 days. Doesn't matter, keep it on 144 hertz. I always charge my phone every day anyway, so there's that to it. And well, before I even go, let's go into about this phone. Of course, you can see it is on Nubia AIOS, running Android 15. Okay, there you go. 512 and 16 gigabytes of RAM. Cool. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna 1 second before I go. So let's try some cases. This is the one that came free, the see-through one, rubbery. Let me just put this on. Let you all decide. Should I go with the see-through one, which is not too see-through? Because I was hoping to get something like this one, which is actually harder plastic, thinner. I know it doesn't protect this, but I wanted to go for that material where you can actually see a bit more transparent. Whoops, sorry about noise. So this is still slightly transparent, and I don't know. So, or you can still see the background, of course, or should I go with the Nubia one with the the same background. What do you all think? So I use this one. To be fair, I actually don't like either one. I actually don't like I don't know. I just like it very simple like this. I don't know why. And I'm probably gonna get another one. So make it much more see-through, much more transparent, and maybe a bit more solid plastic. This is too much rubbery for my liking. Let me know which one do you reckon I should use for now, temporarily until I buy another case. Yeah, comment below. And yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap this up now. I'm gonna spend a few days and play around with the camera, the sound, do some benchmarks, usual stuff. I'm going to say here, I'm not going to do any gaming because, like I said, I don't like gaming on mobile devices, just PC and consoles only. So please subscribe, like the channel. I'll be posting a bit more of a hands-on, in-depth hands-on in a few days. So keep an eye on that. Until next time. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. And please do stay safe and get back to this channel in a few days' time when I upload a bit more in-depth. I see you guys and girls then. Goodbye.